Super excited to get a sidewalk tomorrow. But prepping for today.
At R.L. McCoy, we wanted to highlight this pour for several different reasons. We wanted to showcase a situation that most people overlook when analyzing whether or not to have a concrete pump truck or telebelt. And we wanted to try out Irving Materials' new iMix Drive Plus for exterior flat work and how this new mix design would work with the telebelt. Upon first glance, you can see that all the earmarks of a normal concrete pump or telebelt job aren't there. This might cause a lot of contractors and homeowners to ask, why? There isn't any obstruction to the pour, the distance from the edge of the pour can be reached with chutes, and the ground conditions indicate that the ready-mix truck can reach the pour. However, it's a good idea to keep in mind what changes around residential construction as opposed to commercial or industrial concrete placement. For example, most ready-mix companies won't guarantee that an existing driveway won't crack under the almost 60,000 pounds of a loaded truck. In this case, the homeowner felt that the age of the driveway and the thickness of the existing slab placed undue risk to an old but still very viable driveway. This left the homeowner with choices of using a buggy or using the method shown. The buggy was out because of the relationship of the location of the pour to adjacent landscaping, that is, driving through the yard was not an option. And secondly, the location of the newly placed utilities would make maneuvering the buggy without raking a lot of concrete pretty tricky. This method also mitigates the risk of the ready-mix company. No need to move back and forth to place with the chutes means less time in reverse. The cleanup remains fast and easy, no chutes to clean. Keeping the truck on the street and off driveways and yards makes sure that tracking mud and dirt that is prohibited by many neighborhood associations and developers. The proprietary iMix from Irving Materials worked very well at a 5-inch slump, normally at a 7-inch slump. We chose the 5-inch slump for the increased incline when using the telebelt. This is guaranteed at 4,000 PSI, great workability, and delayed set for plenty of time to work. We enjoyed all of these factors and I can guarantee you it was a pleasure to finish.